Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is quick quiz time. We have 7 questions about cardiac arrest and heart. I scored only 57%. Let's see what will be your scores. Comment down your scores if you beat me. You'll get 5 seconds for each question. Let's start now. Sudden cardiac arrest means the heart has stopped beating. True or false? The time starts now. The right answer is true. As the name implies, a sudden cardiac arrest or SCA occurs when the heart suddenly stops beating. The result is blood stops pumping throughout the body, including to the brain and vital organs. A person who has a sudden cardiac arrest can die within minutes, but immediate treatment with an automated external defibrillator or AED can be life-saving. An AED is a portable device that sends an electric shock to the heart, stopping an irregular heart rhythm and allowing normal rhythm to resume. Even without formal training, most people can effectively follow instructions on an AED while waiting for emergency medical services to arrive. Let's go to the second question now. Sudden cardiac arrest or SCA. Option A. SCA usually results in death. Option B. SCA means the heart suddenly stops beating. Option C. SCA involves an electrical malfunction in the heart. Option D. All of the above. The time starts now. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. A sudden cardiac arrest is a life-threatening condition that results in death in 9 out of 10 cases. It is caused by electrical malfunction in the heart called ventricular fibrillation. The abnormality acts like a short circuit within the heart, causing it to suddenly stop beating. Third question. Sudden cardiac arrest is subtle, and bystanders may not notice what has occurred. True or false? Your time starts now. The right answer is false. Sudden cardiac arrest has some noticeable symptoms just immediately prior to the event. A person having an SCA will suddenly lose consciousness and will appear lifeless except for making gasping sounds or movements, and the person will have no perceptible pulse or heartbeat. In some cases, victims can experience seizures for 10 to 20 seconds. Question number 4. About 10% of deaths in India is due to sudden cardiac arrest, which is also the most common factor of death in the world. True or false? Your time starts now. The correct answer is true. About 10% of the deaths in India is due to sudden cardiac arrest or SCA. SCA is the leading cause of deaths among adults aged 40 and older worldwide. There are 2 important things that we need to know about sudden cardiac arrest. That is, the heart does not just stop like that. In the period of 3 to 5 minutes, it usually beats at the rate of 350 to 400 beats per minute or BPM very rapidly, and then it stops. Those 3 to 5 minutes usually gives the window of opportunity to save a person if a shock can be given within the given period. Question number 5. Sudden cardiac arrest is the same as heart attack. True or false? Your time starts now. The right answer is false. Sudden cardiac arrest or SCA is not the same as heart attack. A heart attack occurs when the blood flow that brings oxygen to the heart is reduced or completely blocked, resulting in damage or death of part of the heart muscle. During a heart attack, a victim may be conscious and can complain about symptoms they experience. The person may be awake and the heart is still beating. In contrast, in a sudden cardiac arrest, there is an electrical malfunction in the heart that causes it to suddenly stop beating. The victim will suddenly lose consciousness. In an SCA, the person is not awake and the heart has stopped beating. A heart attack may cause damage to the heart that leads to cardiac arrest, but they are not the same. Question number 6. What does the term arrhythmia mean? Option A. The medical term for heartbeat. Option B. Irregular heartbeat. Option C. Lack of heartbeat. Option D. Slow heartbeat. Your time starts now. The right answer is Option B, irregular heartbeat. Arrhythmia is an irregular heartbeat. Arrhythmia describes any abnormal heart rhythm, including the heart beating too fast, too slow, or erratically. When the heart is in an arrhythmia, it is not pumping blood effectively, and this means the brain, lungs, and other organs are not receiving the blood supply and oxygen they need to function properly. Sudden cardiac arrest is a serious type of arrhythmia where an electrical malfunction short-circuits the heart and causes it to stop beating. Last question, question number 7. Fill in the blank. Dash is the most common reason for sudden death. Option A, atrial fibrillation. Option B, overexertion. Option C, mental stress. Option D, ventricular fibrillation. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, ventricular fibrillation. Ventricular fibrillation is the most common reason for sudden cardiac arrest deaths. The lower chambers of the heart quiver, which results in the heart pumping little to no blood. The person passes out and can die within minutes if the ventricular fibrillation is not treated immediately. I got 4 questions correct and I scored 57%. Comment down your percentage. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.